Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Now, this unbagging comes from the company Everydayecrafts, and they reached out. I've done a couple, one or two other videos for them in the past, and they reached out again wanting to know if I wanted to show some more, so of course I said yes. So let's go ahead and pull these out. I opened the bag, but I didn't open anything in it. So I hope everybody's having a great day today, and let's see what I got. So the first thing that I did get were these replacement for the let me see, for these pins here. This is the replacement wax. They call it clay, but it's wax. But you get 3 pieces, and they're random. You can either get white or pink. I know one of these ends, there we go. But it's the wax, if you can see it, very sticky. But you get 3 pieces for $1.99, and it is the replacement wax that goes in these pins. So you can either get white or pink, and like I said, it's just random. They just send you what they want. So for $1.99, that's not bad. You get 3 pieces, and it comes in these little tubes so they don't get messed up. So I thought that was really good deal. And like I said, they call it it's like replacement clay, but it's just a very, very, very sticky wax. But I also want to say thank you to Everydayecrafts for giving me the opportunity to work with them and to show their products on my channel. I really, really, really do appreciate it. So let's open this one. You know what? I'm gonna open the ends. Actually, I probably should just use my scissors. I'll get it together here in a second, y'all. It makes me nervous cutting into these things, because I'm always afraid I'm going to hit the canvas. Okay. So these are poured glue, and they are 30 by 40s. Oh, good. They are in baggies, so that's good. So as you can see, the baggies have the number of the canvas on here, but not DMCs. So, but it is round. It is a full round, but those are so pretty. Comes with a regular toolkit, which is a green boat, a square pink wax, and a pink single placer pin. So, like I said, this is poured glue, so I am going to roll it backwards to try to straighten it out just a little. And this is the image that I got. And as you can see, it is another gorgeous girl. I love these sweet little dolls. I do apologize for the lighting. Although I changed rooms for my craft room because the other room was either too hot or too cold, the lighting was better in that room, which is crazy because it only had one window to where this room is bigger and it has 2 windows and a door, and the lighting in here just sucks. So, alright, anyway, this is a 30 by 40. It has 24 colors, and it does have the DMC on the schematic, and it does have a schematic on the top left, bottom right. This canvas was $6.99, and if you can see, if my phone is focusing, the drill field is beautiful. Very clear, very pretty. It even has like a sparkly glitter look to it. Very sticky. Very, very nice canvas. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see. It's hard to see the glittery. Even with good lighting, it's hard to see the glitter in the canvas. But I just thought she was so pretty with her umbrella and her little galoshes down here in the rain puddle. Looks like she's on the sidewalk and there's some grass. And you can see that it's raining. And her umbrella matches her little raincoat and her little galoshes. It's just so cute. And I love the colors. Absolutely love the colors. But yeah, these are all in baggies, which is great. And they look pretty good. Honestly, I don't ever have any issues with the drills in these canvas, or in these budget-friendly companies. I really don't. They have really good drills. But there's some greens and pinks, purples, grays, browns, blues, some burgundies, some red, some dark purple. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So again, this was $6.99 for a 30 by 40. And y'all, they have so many things to choose from. So many canvases, images. And y'all, they don't just have diamond paintings. If y'all are into paint by numbers or cross stitch, they have that too. And they have just as many images for those as they do for the diamond painting, I think. So, yeah, it's a really great company. Like I said, Everydayecrafts. They have all kinds of stuff. It's really worth checking out. So this is in a bag, I think. It's stuck. Alright, so this one is another 30 by 40 round poured glue. So, ooh, and it's in baggies too. So I'm going to roll this backwards and get it straightened out a little bit. Now this canvas, they're both, they both feel about the same, but they're very pliable. And this is the image that I got on this one. And again, it's got a regular toolkit, which is your green boat, pink wax, and your pink single placer pen. These are also in baggies, but as you can see, they are labeled with the number, the weight. They do have the DMC numbers on the little stickers. And look at those colors, y'all. That is gorgeous. You got purples. You've got just about every shade of green. Blues. We've got pinks. We've got some black, yellow, grays, beige, browns. Those are gorgeous. So, so pretty. So, again, this one is a 30 by 40. It has 25 colors. And it does show the DMC on the schematic. And we are working with letters and numbers. And I think that was on both of them. Yeah. This one is just letters. But this one has numbers and letters. And we've got the schematic on both sides. Very, very sticky. Very sticky. And the drill field, again, looks really good. Really good. And as you can see, they have the light numbers on the dark colors. And then they have the dark numbers, or dark letters on the light. But yeah, and then this one too has got glittery, it's got that glitter effect in the canvas. So, but yeah, she's just laying in a field somewhere, reading her book, laying on her back. She's probably looking up at the clouds, making pictures out of the clouds on a nice summer's day. She's got flowers. Different color flowers. She's got a butterfly on her dress and her little purse. And then she's got a flower in her hair. She's so pretty. I just love, love, love these images. And this one was $6.99 also. And I think they're on sale. Actually, I think they're like $7 and something, but they're on sale for $6.99, I think, is what it was. But, so yeah. So, Everydayecrafts, right now, they have got a free shipping if you purchase over $69, which is not hard to do. And you get a bunch of stuff for $69. So, but yeah, they've got cross stitch, they've got paint by numbers, they do customs, they've got diamond painting tools, they've got paint by number tools, they've got cross stitch tools, they've got off the canvas, which is going to be like your little fidget spinners, your plaques, canvas bags, you know, all that stuff. So, and their items are really cheap. So, yeah, y'all go take a look at this company. And I will leave a link in the description box to each one of these canvases and to the replacement wax and to the company itself in my description box. So, yeah, y'all go take a look, and I hope you get something. And I guess, y'all, until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.